Hello YouTube viewers, this is Silicon Airsoft 13, and today I will be making a review on my SRC Fighting Cat. This is the gun I will be making the review on. It's my SRC Fighting Cat, and as you can see, it is not really stock from the outside. The only thing that's stock on it is the lower receiver, but I have changed it up a bit. I have put in a mag pull, buttstock, and a black upper receiver, and I do have a mag pull pop-up sight, and my red dot sight, and a PQ box for the battery, as well as grip for it. I got it at eBay a couple of months ago for $180. And it's a pretty good gun, stretches the CQB, it's really accurate, and shoots from around 270 to 300. Last time I covered it, it was around 295, but it ranges around there. It's a really good gun. Now, I will take it outside for shooting test with a 7.4 LiPo on it. Alright, this is Silicon Airsoft 13. And back to show you the shooting test by SRC Fighting Cat. I'm running 7.4 LiPo on it, and it's a pretty accurate gun. So I really like it. It's really accurate, and I will be shooting at the trash can, as you see right in front of me. I'll do the full auto shooting. Now I'll do a fun sky burst. It's always fun to burst into the sky. Alright, a little off topic. Alright, now I'll shoot at that light post bulb. Really nice and accurate. It's a really good gun for $180. Good. Got a PQ box on it, run LiPo on it, 7.4. Got a decent rate of fire. It, with 9.6 and 7.4 LiPo, it shoots around 15, 16 beams per second when I chronoed it last time. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, sounds like 15 to 16 beams still. So yeah, it's good. It's good. It's been 15 to 16 the whole time I've had it, and everything in it's still stock too. I haven't changed anything on it other than the exterior, and I really like using it. And oh my goodness, forget the dog licking the other dog's BB. That's a little off topic, but as I am standing outside, alright, back to topic. And yeah, I take this gun to Tac City Airsoft. Really awesome airsoft park. It's indoors. But make sure that at the end of March, you check out Patriot Airsoft. It's gonna open up in Berry Park, California. It is gonna be my local park, as it is 5 minutes away from my house. But another cool field to check out at CQB is Tac City Airsoft. And this concludes the video for today. YouTubers, Airsofters, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.